Hello traders, this is Joanne with Succeed in Forex. Welcome to our last video news broadcast for the week of January the 11th, 2008. We hope that you've had a great trading week and the news that we've been bringing you this week has helped you in your trading. The news out of Switzerland this morning is saying, as we all know, that the European Central Bank and the Bank of England left their rates unchanged yesterday on Thursday. The U.S. dollar fell sharply on Thursday after the Federal Reserve Chairman said the central bank was ready to take aggressive measures to support the U.S. economy against steep housing slump. Bernanke said in his speech that the Fed stood ready to take substantial additional action if needed to support growth, but was not forecasting a recession. That left investors betting that a 50 basis point reduction in the federal fund rate was nearly guaranteed at the Fed's upcoming January policy meeting, and that sent the dollar tumbling. The Fed funds rate is currently at 4.25% after the Fed's easing cycle began in mid-September. Bernanke's remarks were in contrast to those of his European Central Bank counterpart, Jean-Claude Trichet. Trichet said that persistent inflation pressures indicate that further policy tightening was likely in the Eurozone, giving additional strength to the euro. The euro dollar was up 93% at 148.00 after seeing an earlier session peak of 148.16. Analysts are saying that the investors were unconvinced the ECB would raise interest rates in light of the slowing growth in the common monetary area, helping to curb the euro's rise. The dollar-yen dropped to an intraday low of 109.11 before bouncing back to around 109.63, but it was still about 24% lower on the day. U.S. short-term interest rate futures are pricing in roughly 90% chance of a 50 basis point reductions in the Fed's benchmark overnight lending rate to 3.75 at the month's end. While a 25 basis rate cut has been fully factored, an aggressive rate cut this month will wipe out the dollar's yield advantage against the euro. In the UK, meanwhile, the Bank of England left rates on hold at 5.5%, giving the sterling some support, although its gains were limited as investors continued to worry about Britain's slowing economy. The pound dollar was up slightly at 196.14, while the euro-pound gained 73% at 75.46. Prospects for further monetary easing in the U.S. sparked a rally in the high-yielding Australian and New Zealand dollars. The Aussie jumped 129% to 89.46, while the Kiwi vaulted 155% to 78.58. This concludes our news for today and for the week. We hope that it has brought you some pips into your account and has been helpful in your trading. If you are finding that these newscasts are helpful in your trading, you might want to subscribe to the video. You will get notifications of them sooner in your email. And also, there is some sort of a subscribe button floating around somewhere on the page, not exactly sure where it is. We would also like to invite you to come and visit our website at www.succeedinforex.com. There you can learn about our trading center, and if you would like to join us there, we would be delighted to have you join us. Also, we have a Yahoo form, which is also Succeed in Forex. So we will see you on Monday for our next news broadcast. Until then, have a wonderful day.